Keeping her oiled up?
Do you want me to take a picture of you by the bike? The train and stuff?
Sure.
Okay.
That's Chantel, the first female engineer on these steam-powered engines here in Maui. Okay, let her rip.
You got it on video?
That's all right. Yeah. Chantel says I can blow the whistle. There we go.
There he goes. He's gonna get the whistle there. That was all you, my man.
Don't just jank on
Yeah,
it.
no.
You gotta get it just right.
Yeah, and then you got a rhythm.
Yeah, that's a real technique.
Yeah. We all got our own style. You can tell who's driving.
Who's driving?
Sounds
Just
out.
by
Serious.
So you got the oil burning right down in there.
Yeah, firebox.
Yeah.
Boils the water on top. Keeps my coffee warm all day.
Keep
See
your
that?
nice warm coffee there, just like the old timers. Wow, and we got the Incredible here.
Yeah, he keeps us on track. Keeps us in line.
And
Throttle. This is what makes it go.
got
It's
the
kind of like a
throttle
gas
lever there.
pedal. This is my engine brakes for the engine.
Engine brakes.
The brakes for the coaches.
Coaches.
My reverser or Johnson bar makes it go forward or backward.
So there's the original Johnson bar. I'll be darned.
That's right.
Huh.
My brake gauges, engine brake, coach brake gauges. My main air tank on the right for the main air tank for the brakes. On the left is my steam pressure, PSI, about 150 PSI.
Okay, and there's your red line up there at 180.
Yeah,
Looks like.
that's where the safety valve. That's our maximum allowable working pressure.
Okay.
180. But the safety valve's at about 175, so we're good.
Okay. All right. Cool. And then the brakes are pneumatic.
Reverse air and straight air. My engine brakes straight air. My coach brakes are reverse air, so it gets complicated, but
Huh.
and it doesn't stop on the dime. It
No.
takes a few seconds to figure out everything.
Yeah. Is it like a truck though? If you lose air pressure, the brakes come on.
They are
right?
less effective.
Yeah.
If you're not, if you don't have enough pressure in your main tank, your brakes are not as effective. So you kind of keep charging up and just trying to play with it.
Ah.
Try and set it and leave it.
What you working on today? It's where you machine the actual wheels. Huge lathe. some old boilers. All the spare parts you need to patch together a railroad.